Bitcoin in a critical point. You want to know the last information about the crypto world? Yes? Then smash that like button because it's time for crypto news. Fun on the right crypto at top. Bitcoin and the $30,000 is a relationship already so important. You can see that yesterday we lost it and we thought death was already here, but then again, as it's the most important point for buying. For buyers right now, we survived and we are still there deciding right now if we are going to skyrocket or not. We told you everything about this in last videos. Do not miss those out. And also how important is to respect the line not of $30,000 but 28,888, and you can see that we are still a little bit away from that point, so I still a little bit optimistic. But Trader Gibbon is not. He's telling us that in the next months we are going to go as low as around $13,000, maybe even closing the gap of the CME in the 9,600. We'll see about that. Are you so pessimistic for the next 6 months in Bitcoin? Well, let's watch dollar. Dollar is still weak. It's going down even though we are not going up with the crypto world, but we're still going through these lines. So maybe dollar will still going down till July the 26th with the Fed decision, and the crypto world will take advantage of that. We told you everything about that in this video. Do not miss that out. And we are still sad because stock market and other assets are going up due to the dollar crash, and we are not with Bitcoin and the crypto world. We need more money in the total market cap. You can see that we are just losing all the things, all the money that came last week in the crypto world. And you can see how United States went up, also gold went up, and the only ones that are not going up is the crypto world. We are not happy with that. The market is in the red. You can see this in this heat map, but now we have new maps of color and heat maps with TradingView, where you can select the index you want, maybe by region, Europe, or whatever place you want. And you have a search box there in order to select your zone. And also for the crypto world, we have now cryptocurrencies without Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies without stable coins, or DeFi currencies. Also, you have new indicators, and also you have new views, so that maybe if you are color blinded or you want it monochrome, you can have it very, very interesting. And also that different kind of colors to just tell you different stuff about the crypto. Very, very cool. You can see here the stock market heat map from TradingView. You have the link in the description. And also here for the crypto market, you can see that we are almost in the 0% today. So maybe a very important point, crucial, critical point for the crypto world. 1 inch that yesterday went as high as around 50%, now losing everything. We didn't understand why Asian market were pushing 1 inch that hard. And here you can see the most important ones going down, but Link, for example, is going up. We don't understand because Celsius is allegedly selling some of their Link. And well, you see here Aave, it had good news yesterday, going down. Lido also going down, and Terra Luna Classic after Binance announcement went up, but now it's going down too. So we're still greedy in the market, psychological, so that's good, I understand. And this might be due to XRP FOMO, fear of missing out. Some people believe that XRP might go to $10, maybe $30 in 3-4 months. Why? Well, we're going to have allegedly an IPO, so Ripple is going to be public. This could lead to a nearly $500 billion valuation, significantly increasing XRP market capitalization and boosting its price. Well, maybe so. Everybody talking about the decision of that judge that it's not a security XRP, and now some speculations that US banks and banks from other parts of the world are expected to turn into XRP, that they will use it for cross-border payments, etc., etc. And also, what about the appeal? Is it going to be an SEC appeal request or not? Will the judge deny it or allow it if this happens? Here you can see from Altcoin Daily, Gary Gensler answering all your questions about this.
Investors on the institutional investors and that the court movement with regard to.
Yeah, so finally an AI was able of translating all this nonsense, and he's disappointed with Ripple ruling on retail investors. It's not happy with the judge's decision, and reiterating that crypto companies should comply with SEC rules. So one of these for Gary Gensler, and we'll see what will happen with the trial. Now we have a new twist in Ripple versus SEC case, as judge suggests settlement conference. Will they get to an agreement? I don't think that if Ripple sees that they have the possibility of winning, they will settle. For sure they will not. And now the SEC agreed to review BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF application. Remember, we want that ETF spot Bitcoin in United States. Maybe Ripple is going to be the catalyst for the next rise. Here you see the triangle I draw with TradingView, and we are in a crucial critical point too with XRP. We have to decide whether we go skyrocketing or we go to the abyss. And today we zoom in a little bit in the weekly chart for XRP versus dollar, and you can see it's not easy to see a weekly candle of 100% rise. So what happened the last times we were close to this scenario? Here 60% up, and we were lateral flat and then down. What happened the last time? Lateral down. The last time, lateral down. The last time we went up for a little bit and then down. The last time we went down. Last time we had another crazy one. This was the bull market of 2018. And then we started going down. So it's not easy that just looking in the past, just from this point, we are going to go crazy up unless we have this crazy news or we are in a bull market like 2018. And you have to consider, according to Austin Herbert, that if you are reading this, you just survived Bitcoin's worst performance period ever, 490 days. This is worse than this one of 386. So congratulations. And Big Juan telling us that they will call the next rise the BlackRock ETF approval effect, but it's not. This is just Bitcoin's algorithm, in his opinion, that will make Bitcoin doing this even this year. So that would be awesome. Where do we sign again? And let's see how interesting this chart is from Documenting Bitcoin, top countries by Google searches for Bitcoin. And of course, United States is number one, Germany in second place at the beginning. This is November 2026 or 2017. But the good thing I like here is that Spain is mostly never in the top nothing. But in top countries by Google searches for Bitcoin, we are. So if you are a company out there related with crypto and you want to partner with us, consider it very interesting, because you can see here that as time goes by, 2019, Spain started becoming more and more important in the top countries by Google searches for Bitcoin. And in 2021, we are number 4, 2022, number 4 in that ratio. You can see Turkey also there. So you can see that we expect our country to be like Turkey at some point soon. So good, so interesting, and congratulations to my neighbors in Spain that they know about Bitcoin. Maybe through to FunOntheRide, this crypto channel. Smash the like button, share us with your friends, social media, etc., and use the link in the descriptions. Thank you very much. Everything free for you. 6-7 years now, more than 1,600 videos. Telling you always the best stuff. Like, for example, that now this guy, Jason, host of the world's most popular technology and finance podcast, is predicting that Bitcoin may be the gold standard of the future. So a lot of people follow him on Twitter and just listen to its podcast. And now a lot of people will know about Bitcoin through his advice. And what can be being wrong so that Bitcoin is going down and also the crypto market? Well, we told you about that yesterday. Celsius is dumping the market 63 million in different crypto, Link, Matic, SNX, Aave, etc. You saw the behavior just minutes ago. And you have to consider that maybe this has a good face, a positive side, which is that maybe they will convert this crypto into Bitcoin and Ethereum, so that those two should go higher. Bad stuff, Coinbase temporarily suspending staking services. They decide in some states in the United States to stop it due to the trial situation right now. And more bad things, China keeps on going with the CBDC, with the digital yuan, now giving away $700,000 worth in the new CBDC in the Changshu area. So they have those red envelopes and they are getting used to the CBDCs that we hate, because those are designed to control yourself and take your freedom off from you. Ethereum just finds support in the moving average of 100, and we keep with the same analysis we said yesterday. And what should we do with this all market situation? Well, I love how simple is with this meme from Crypto Journal that says till 30,168 dollar cost average every day, every week, just buy little by little. This is not my advice. I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. Then from $32,000 to the last all-time high, do nothing. Just relax there. Do not buy, do not sell. And once we are above $65,000, DCA out. So every week, every month, sell a little bit of your investment. That's what I'm going to do. Let's see how things work out for me. And what about the meme coins? Pepe going down. We see that here with dextools.io. You have the link in the description. And our favorite troll, Elon Musk, just responded to this tweet. Do you like more dogs or cats? He said Doges. So Dogecoin, again, he's trolling. And then he said that whatever since Twitter platform might have been boring is not one of them. And Michael Saylor answered him, the first one, Bitcoin is never boring. So they are keep on trolling. And this guy was trolling too with Binance. Allegedly, I wish this is something of troll stuff, because he says that Bitcoin Lightning on Binance is $7, which I believe is fake news, is a joke. But I went to Binance and I can't do Bitcoin Lightning Network transactions. I just tried minutes ago. So can you do them, and how expensive is that? Because this would be absolutely madness, of course. And I don't understand why I can't. Maybe it's temporarily suspended the service. What do you know about that? Leave a comment below. Thank you very much. In the DeFi ecosystem, still between $40 billion and $50 billion. And we have very good news for Lens, a protocol we love. They are dropping V2 right now. So if you don't know about this protocol, I'll leave you the link in the description. And I recommend you to try to go in, because they are creating a lot of tools like some kind of social media, etc., in a blockchain protocol DeFi ecosystem that you should know already. And did you know that you can pay for college with crypto? What? Yes, many universities are accepting crypto for tuition. Those are some of them. I leave you the link in the description. And thank you, Coin Tracking, our partner, for sharing this information with us. Remember that in order to track my portfolio, this is the tool that I use, Coin Tracking. For me, the only one that is worth using. I leave you the link in the description so you can know how your cryptocurrencies are behaving. If you need one of the payment versions that maybe you don't, well, you have a 10% discount. So thank you very much for using that link. You help us indirectly using that link. Thank you very much. And now about the Ledger. We have a lot of questions in the Twitch live show every day and also in the YouTube commentaries. And they ask if you can withdraw already your rewards. Well, you can, but there's a trick there. The idea is that you can, but not in the Ledger Lab application. You have to go to Lido website. So do that and you will be able of withdrawing your earnings if you had your rewards. Maybe you watch this video. Remember, we will tell you everything about staking. Watch all the videos in the platform and you want to withdraw it. And we are happy to know that we are selling now more ledgers again. So maybe everybody forgot about the recovery fiasco and some other fiascos from Ledger. Well, we leave you the link in the description. This is still the cold wallet I use. So if you want to buy the one I use, you have the link in the description. You have there some discounts. Now 10% if you want to buy the Ledger Nano S and this other thing in order to keep safe your 24 words. Also, as you came to this point, if you are so smart, I leave you this in the description. This is some guy creating a bot for liquidations using ChatGPT and allegedly buying a house with the rewards. I don't understand a word what he's saying, but maybe you are so smart. Well, I leave you the link in the description for that. And now let's tell you about the metaverse. So interesting that Bank of America is using the metaverse to train new employees. So you have your glasses on and you have like regular staff giving cash or creating an account, and even a bad guy there, a mad client, someone that is very angry, or even a robbery. Interesting how are we using in the future metaverse to train people in every aspect of our lives. And here you can see from Linus, he's sharing with us the robot that Elon Musk is going to create. He said that there's going to be more this than people in the world in the future. So what do you think? This is awesome because he knows this is an egg and it doesn't break it. Or do you believe those are going to help CBDCs and other entities in order to just take our freedom away from us? They will be there. They can learn how to move from ourselves, and they repeat that movement for difficult tasks. Also, they are just going around recording everything they see, memorizing and creating maps. So many cool stuff, or maybe dystopic stuff. It depends on how you see it. And what about this 3D printing process of an articulated dragon? I think this is so awesome. Of course, this was accelerated, and then we have there a dragon. Let's see if internet works right now. It's not working, and you can see the dragon. Come on, internet, give me my dragon. There you go. Here you can see how it's created, and after some time you'll be able of moving it. It's amazing how creative people are. Congratulations. And also, what about Mark Vidal sharing with us how you can use VR also with a go-kart so that you will mix reality, the circuit, with a very more cool like environment or world or whatever you want to call it. Awesome. I want to try this for sure where it is. And what about drones using for good stuff? Here, maybe you have a building and it's on fire. So you have your drones with some water and you can go there and help everybody there with this technology. Awesome stuff. And with the stupid stuff of the day, remember yesterday we told you about that contest with girls with horses? Well, this was 1958 halftime show of the Super Bowl, which was, in my opinion, was quite similar to what we watched yesterday. What do you think about this? And what do you think about this father? So smart, the kid needs to take the medicine and he uses the watermelon of FunOntheRide in order to trick him into swallow the medicine. So smart, this guy. And what about this girl? She took some of that medicine and now she's a superhero. She's like Spider-Man, just climbing all over like we want the market to climb with new green candles in the future. And how amazing is the humankind, how they can create with stones art like this. What are we watching there? Can you tell what this is? Well, I see an eye there. I think this is a cat. Yes, this is for sure a cat. So that means that we are in the cats and animal sections from FunOntheRide. We have a frog creating these crazy vibes and songs. What is this? And have you ever, and sorry for this, have you ever heard a turtle having an orgasm, having sex relationships? Well, you have now. Crazy stuff in FunOntheRide. Let's chill a little bit. Like this dog is doing, just driving its boat and having fun there. Come on, my man, bring me to our tent and let's don't think and overthink things like this cat is doing, because we might get seasick and that's not a good idea. Let's find some friends in order to play maybe some cards like this cat, maybe in the swimming pool, or let's just cuddle. Let's just find someone to make the turtle noise. Maybe that would be so awesome. We have no more time today. If you want to learn Spanish, go to our primary channel, FunOntheRide in Spanish, the same video. If you want more in English, just wait till tomorrow. The next crypto news show here in FunOntheRide. Health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. Crypto a tope to the moon!